Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Supreme King Zarc. This powerful boss monster is a game changer, capable of turning the tide of any duel. Understanding its unique summoning conditions and devastating effects is key to unleashing its full potential. We will explore the core strategies to bring this ultimate dragon to your field and dominate your opponents with its overwhelming power. Get ready to elevate your dueling skills. Summoning Supreme King Zarc is the first crucial step. You need to gather one fusion, one synchro, one Zais, and one pendulum dragon monster. Cards like Supreme King Dragon Darkworm and Supreme King Gate 0 are excellent for setting up your pendulum zones and extra deck. Focus on efficient ways to bring out your dragon materials, often using a combination of pendulum summons and extra deck plays to quickly assemble the 4 required types. Once Supreme King Zarc hits the field, its power is immense. Upon its successful summon, it destroys all monsters your opponent controls, clearing their board. Furthermore, Zarc is completely unaffected by your opponent's card effects, making it incredibly difficult to remove. You can also place 2 pendulum monsters from your hand, deck, or extra deck into your pendulum zones, setting up further plays or protection for your next turn. Building a consistent deck around Supreme King Zarc is vital. Consider integrating pendulum archetypes like Odd Eyes or Supreme King for their strong synergy and ability to generate multiple dragon types. Cards that search for pendulum monsters or provide easy access to your extra deck are essential for consistency. Aim for a balanced deck that can quickly assemble the 4 dragon materials while also having backup plans and defensive options to secure your victory.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.